Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about Glaxetics. Glaxetics.com is a store where you can purchase different kinds of product. The product you can also see these kind of product they are selling right now. So the basic thing I want to tell you, this is a legit store or it's a scam. So without wasting your time, I want to tell you like the store. Glaxetics.com is a newly launched store. This store is only like 1 month from now, and they are also available on Facebook, and each and everything is looking good. And you can see they are also available on, you can say Instagram, and they are also available on Facebook. And on Facebook they have available like in 2021, and that they are available on Facebook from a long period of time. Okay, so this is also looking like a good indication, but there is also several red flags why you should not purchase any product on this store. So if we talk about like these kind of conditions, so you can see the product they are selling right now. So all the product is easily available on Amazon.com. So you can see this is a portable mobile TV, smart portable mobile TV. The costing of the product is very high, but when you visit on their website you will see like the costing is like only $49. So how is this possible? When you check any product related to this kind of category, you will see the product is like very hi-fi. Okay, the costing is like very much, and on the platform like you can say this platform like Glaxetics, the costing is very less. So this is also looking like a very big concern. How is this possible? And if we talk about like the second thing, that is like dual portable dual monitor with 16-inch, the costing of the product is like very high, and the website they are selling product at a very low cost. So this is also a very big concern. So the conclusion is like the website is looking like a drop shipping website. Okay, and definitely you will get the product, there is no doubt. And if you are lucky one, in most of the cases some of the you can say like customer will not get product, and if you are lucky one, maybe you will get your product and the quality of the product is not too good. If you get the product, the quality of the product is not too good and you are not going to satisfying. Okay, and after making a purchase you are not able to get your money back because the store is not providing any kind of contact information. You can also see on Facebook page they are also not providing any kind of, you can say like contact information by which you can contact with the customer support team related to return and refund. So this makes a very hard to get your money back. So the conclusion is you should not purchase any product on this store, otherwise you are going to face lots of issues related to return and refund. And the product, or you can say like the website is looking like a good, but there is a very big concern, like there is some reviews also available on Trustpilot, but all that you can say like in the period of 1 month the reviews is like 13% is negative reviews, and most of the reviews are complaining like they did not get their product, and the product when they comment on Facebook they remove the, you can say like comments from Facebook. And so this is also a very bad thing about the brand. Okay, but the positive thing about this brand is like the brand is also replying from, you can say like in the term of reply, and they are also replying with their customers. So I really don't know what is the reason behind this thing. So I would like to request you, please make a comment if you have any experience with this platform. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. If you have any experience, please share your thought, and you can save your hard-earned money and you can save your lots of people money too. Okay, so thanks for watching this video and please make a comment. Okay, so bye bye.